What if I told you that the same chair you're sitting on right now could be the only tool you need to transform your strength, flexibility, and independence? No gym membership, no expensive equipment, just you and a chair. And by the end of this video, you'll discover a complete workout that takes just 15 minutes, but could change how you feel every single day. Welcome to Prime Motion 60 Plus, where we prove that age is just a number and movement is medicine. I'm here to help you stay strong, flexible, and independent, no matter what your fitness level is right now. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell because we're building a community of people who refuse to let age slow them down. Every week, I bring you practical, safe, and effective workouts designed specifically for our bodies and our needs. Today's workout is special because it requires absolutely nothing except a sturdy chair. Whether you're dealing with balance issues, recovering from an injury, or simply prefer a seated workout, this routine will help you build real, functional strength. And here's the best part. I'm going to show you modifications for every exercise, so whether you're just starting out or you've been active for years, you'll get exactly what you need. But I need to ask you something important. Can you stand up from a chair without using your hands? If you struggled with that, or avoided trying it altogether, pay close attention to what's coming. Because the exercises I'm about to show you directly improve that exact movement, which researchers call one of the most important predictors of healthy aging. Before we jump into the workout, let's talk about why this matters. And I promise, understanding this will keep you motivated long after this video ends. After age 50, we naturally lose muscle mass at a rate of about 1 to 2% per year. This process, called sarcopenia, doesn't just make us weaker. It affects our balance, our bone density, our metabolism, and most importantly, our ability to live independently. Studies show that leg strength is one of the strongest predictors of longevity and quality of life as we age. But here's the exciting news. Strength training can reverse this process at any age. Research from Tufts University found that people in their 80s and 90s who did resistance training increased their muscle strength by up to 180%. Let me repeat that. People in their 80s and 90s nearly tripled their strength. Chair exercises are perfect because they provide stability and safety while you build strength, allow you to work at your own pace, improve the exact movements you use in daily life, like sitting, standing, reaching, and bending, can be done anywhere, anytime, with no excuses. Now, you might be wondering, can sitting exercises really make a difference? Absolutely. A study published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that seated exercise programs significantly improved strength, flexibility, and balance in older adults, reducing fall risk by up to 30%. So let's stop talking about it and start moving. But first, one quick thing. Before we begin, let's make sure you're set up for success. Your chair should be sturdy and stable, without wheels, positioned on a non-slip surface. At a height where your feet rest flat on the floor with knees at about 90 degrees, ideally armless, but if it has arms, that's okay for some exercises. Safety reminders: keep a wall or countertop nearby for extra support if needed. Wear comfortable, non-slip shoes or grippy socks. Listen to your body. Effort is good, pain is not. Breathe throughout every movement, never hold your breath. If you have any medical conditions or concerns, check with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program. One more thing. Posture matters. Sit toward the front half of your chair, feet hip-width apart, spine tall like someone's pulling a string from the top of your head toward the ceiling. Shoulders are back and down, core is gently engaged. This is your power position. Ready? Let's do this. Every good workout starts with a warm-up. This gets blood flowing to your muscles and prepares your joints for movement. Exercise. 1. Seated marching. 1 minute. Sit tall and lift one knee at a time, like you're marching in place. Arms swing naturally in opposition. Start slow and gradually pick up the pace. This wakes up your hip flexors and gets your heart rate up gently. Feel that? Your body is already responding. Exercise 2. Shoulder rolls. 30 seconds. Roll your shoulders backward in big, smooth circles. This releases tension we all carry in our upper backs and improves shoulder mobility. Think about creating space between your ears and shoulders. Exercise 3. Seated torso twists, 1 minute. Hands behind your head or across your chest. Keep your hips facing forward and rotate your upper body to the right, then to the left. This warms up your spine and core muscles. Each twist should be controlled, never forced. Exercise 4. Ankle circles, 1 minute. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and draw circles with your toes, 6 circles in each direction. Then switch feet. This is crucial for ankle mobility and balance. Many people neglect their ankles, but they're your foundation. Exercise 5. Arm circles, 30 seconds. Extend arms out to the sides and make small circles, gradually making them bigger. Then reverse direction. Feel your shoulder joints opening up. Beautiful. Your body is warm and ready. Now we move into the strength-building phase. This section targets your legs and glutes, the powerhouse muscles that keep you mobile and independent. Exercise 6. Sit to stand. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. This is the exercise I mentioned earlier. Here's how to do it properly. Sit tall at the front of your chair. Feet hip-width apart, firmly planted. Lean slightly forward from your hips. Push through your heels to stand up. Slowly lower back down with control, modifications. Beginner, use your hands lightly on the chair arms or thighs for assistance. Advanced, cross your arms over your chest. And challenge. Pause for 3 seconds at the bottom before standing. This exercise builds the exact strength you need for getting up from the toilet, out of bed, or out of a car. It works your quadriceps, glutes, and core all at once. Exercise 7. Seated leg extensions, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps each leg. Sit back in your chair with good posture. Slowly straighten one leg until it's parallel to the floor. Hold for 2 seconds, squeezing the muscle at the front of your thigh lower with control. Complete all reps on one leg, then switch. Feel that burn in your quadriceps? That's strength building. These muscles protect your knees and are essential for walking and climbing stairs. Exercise 8. Seated heel raises, 3 sets of 15 reps. Feet flat on the floor. Lift both heels as high as you can, pressing through the balls of your feet. Hold for 1 second at the top, lower with control. This strengthens your calves and improves ankle stability, both critical for balance and preventing falls. Exercise 9. Seated glute squeezes, 3 sets of 15 reps. This one's sneaky but powerful. Sit tall. Squeeze your glute muscles as tightly as you can. Hold for 3 seconds. Release and repeat. Your glutes are the largest muscle group in your body, and they're often underactive from too much sitting. This exercise wakes them up and strengthens your hip stabilizers. Exercise 10. Seated leg lifts, 2 sets of 10 reps each leg. Sit tall, hands on the chair beside your hips for support. Keep one leg bent, foot on floor. Straighten the other leg and lift it 6 to 12 inches off the ground. Hold for 3 seconds. Lower with control. This targets your hip flexors and lower abs, muscles crucial for walking and maintaining good posture. Don't underestimate the importance of upper body strength. This is what helps you carry groceries, lift grandchildren, and maintain your independence. Exercise 11. Seated chest press, 3 sets of 12 reps. Sit tall, arms bent at 90 degrees like you're holding a steering wheel. Press both arms forward until they're straight. Squeeze your chest muscles. Bring arms back to starting position. Imagine you're pushing a heavy door open. Even without weights, creating tension in your muscles builds strength. Exercise 12. Seated rows, 3 sets of 12 reps. Extend arms forward at shoulder height, pull elbows back, squeezing shoulder blades together, keep shoulders down away from ears, return to starting position. This counters the forward slouch we develop from daily activities and strengthens your back muscles. Exercise 13. Seated overhead reach, 3 sets of 10 reps. Start with hands at shoulders. Press both arms overhead, fully extending lower with control. This maintains shoulder mobility and strength for reaching into cabinets or overhead storage. Exercise 14. Seated, bicycle crunches, 2 sets of 20 total, 10 each side. Hands behind head, elbows wide. Lift one knee toward the opposite elbow while rotating your torso. alternate sides in a controlled, rhythmic motion. This works your entire core, including those deep, stabilizing muscles that protect your spine. Exercise 15. Seated side bends, 2 sets of 10 each side. One arm extended overhead, the other resting on the chair. Bend to the side, creating a stretch along your ribcage. Return to center and repeat. This maintains lateral flexibility in your spine and strengthens your obliques. We're going to finish with stretches that improve flexibility and balance. This is where many people skip ahead, but don't. This section is just as important as the strength work. Exercise 16. Seated hamstring stretch. Hold 30 seconds each leg. Extend one leg forward, heel on the ground, toes pointing up. Keep the other foot flat on the floor. Hinge forward from your hips, keeping your back straight. You should feel a gentle stretch in the back of your extended leg. Tight hamstrings contribute to lower back pain and poor posture. This stretch is gold. Exercise 17. Seated spinal twist. Hold 30 seconds each side. Sit sideways on your chair. Place both hands on the chair back. Gently twist your torso toward the back of the chair. Breathe deeply and feel your spine lengthen. This maintains rotational mobility, important for looking over your shoulder while driving or reaching for something behind you. Exercise 18. Seated hip stretch. Hold 30 seconds each side. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee. Gently press down on the raised knee. For a deeper stretch, lean forward slightly. Your hips carry tension and tightness. This stretch improves hip mobility and can even relieve lower back discomfort. Exercise 19. Shoulder and chest stretch. Hold 30 seconds. Interlace fingers behind your back. Straighten arms and lift slightly. Open your chest and squeeze shoulder blades together. Feel that opening across your chest? This counteracts the hunched posture from computer and phone use. Exercise 20. Seated balance challenge. 30 seconds each side. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Hold for 30 seconds, using the chair for light support if needed. Switch sides. Balance is use it or lose it. This simple exercise maintains the neural pathways that keep you steady on your feet. And that's it. You just completed a full-body workout using nothing but a chair. How do you feel? Drop a comment below and let me know. Here's what I want you to remember. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Doing this workout 3 times a week will create noticeable changes in how you feel and what you can do. You'll find daily tasks getting easier. You'll feel more confident in your body. You'll have more energy. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and share it with a friend who needs this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. Next week, I'm bringing you a standing balance routine that builds on what we did today. You're not going to want to miss it. Remember, you're not too old, it's not too late, and you're stronger than you think. I'll see you in the next one. Keep moving, keep growing, and stay strong.